Today we're going to talk about Levenshtein's distance. So this was founded by the Soviet mathematician Vladimir Levenshtein, who considered this distance in 1965. So an example is we go here. Let's say we have kitten, sitten, and sitting. The distance between kitten and sitting is 3 because you have to replace some letters before you get to it. It's around 3 edits. So that's how an example of Levenshtein's distance is. It's also a simple upper and lower bounds. Difference of the sizes of two strings. Most length of the longer string is 0 if and all of the strings are equal. If the strings are the same size, the Hamming distance is an upper bound on the Levenshtein's distance. Okay, so let's go to our Databricks. I have my Databricks notebook up and running. I installed it on the Fuzzy Wuzzy. So the Fuzzy Wuzzy, if you want to install it, you can install it on Databricks. So if you want to import the library, you just go to PyP or PyP. You just type in Fuzzy Wuzzy. Now I think I have installed this, so let's just try it again. If it says so, it already exists. It means it has already been installed. Let's go back to my recent notebook. I named it Fuzz. And let's try it to run it. So import the Fuzzy Wuzzy. And let's try 2 sentences. I put this, remove that exclamation point and run it. So it's 100, but if I put like an exclamation point, you will see there's a difference. It's 97. Well, let's try my name. My name is Albert Anthony Gavino, which I usually lose, like Albert Gavino. It's around 76. So there you go. You can compare strings using Levenshtein's distance and see if they're like match on the strings itself.